welcome back to the Hebert house. Oh my God, Becky, you have to go to Dollar Tree. I know this sounds crazy and I know I'm super excited, but I didn't know if I was at Dollar Tree or at Hobby Lobby because the fall stuff at the Dollar Tree right now is amazing. Like, and I know that I'm a Dollar Tree like fanatic and that's great, whatever, but I can't wait to show you this stuff because y'all, it is so freaking cute and it's like 1/20th of the price of Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna get into it. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button for us, and that way you don't miss any more Dollar Tree hauls or cleaning or organizing or trying to conceive or, you know, pregnancy announcements. It could happen, we don't know. But make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of them. All right, I'm gonna get into this haul because as you can tell, like right now I am like on speed. Not really on speed, but I'm on like Dollar Tree high because this fall stuff is so cute. So I'm gonna jump back in. Y'all, I have so much stuff, look at this. It was like a ton of stuff. And it like, there was more stuff even there that I just couldn't get because I had too much. It's all so cute. Okay, let's get into it. First bag. All right, first bag, I got these white pumpkins and they're actually clip-ons, so you can put these on a wreath. I'm gonna attach these to my tobacco basket down in my dining room, and I love white pumpkins. They're my fave. So those were cute. I got 2 of them. I'm going to decorate my best friend's house for fall too. So she's been working really hard and going through a lot of stuff, and so I figured I would help her out. All right, next are these garlands. I got these at the Dollar Tree and I love these. Can you see those sparkly, like, they're so gorgeous. So I got several of these. I got this one. I got a green and orange one. I got another orange color. And I got a red color. And these are all $1, duh, from the Dollar Tree. Got those. I got these, which I just love so much. Burlap leaves. And you can make them into a banner. I got red, burlap colored, and then green. And then I also got this shape too. See it? Sorry, I know the light like on the package. I'm gonna take these out so that you guys can see them without the glare of the packaging. Look how cute they are. I love these. So cute. So I got those leaves. What else is in here? Okay, I got a bunch of napkins because I love to entertain during the holidays. And so I got a bunch of napkins. I got this one that says eat, drink, and be thankful. See it? This one that says gobble till you wobble. Oh, love it. And then these are my favorite. These just say give thanks, so they've got like all the words around them. It says like autumn, thankful, give thanks, pumpkins, harvest. Really cute. And then I also got the bigger version of that one. Got those. Okay, I'm showing you those last because they're my favorite thing. All right, let's see here. Just to let you know, they do have new calendars out. This is not part of my fall haul, but they do have new calendars out, and look at how pretty these are. Can y'all see that? I always give my sisters and some of my family members calendars for Christmas because between us we have 15 children. So I put everybody's birthdays on them for them. Little help. All right, so next up was this little owl guy. Look at him. Is he not the cutest thing? I love these little woodland creatures. I know I've told y'all that before. So that's the first bag. What is this? Oh, they have a ton of these little porcelain pumpkins. And I actually have seen on a haul where they have mint color ones, and I have not been able to find them at my Dollar Tree yet. But I'm gonna keep looking because these are really cute. See that? Okay, next up, I'll show you these. I got these stakes. This one says welcome to our patch. And these are really good. Like, these are made a lot better than they used to be. They also had another one that said like harvest, welcome, something like that. So those. And I also got 2 of these little guys to go on our porch for $1. I never keep these more than a year, even if I pay more than $1 for them, because when you're outside in Georgia, it's humid and nasty and they just get gross. So $1 is great. They also had these in like a freestanding form. They had like just the little heads of them you could put in decoration. So I got those. Next, all right, so I'm gonna show you all the pumpkins I got, because there's a bunch. All right, so I got 2 of the burlap pumpkins. These are gonna go fast, y'all. Like, these sold out so fast last year, I couldn't even get them. So these burlap ones. I also got 2 darker colored burlap. These look almost orange, but they're really kind of just like a golden burlap. I got 2 ears of corn, and these are just beaded. Let's see if I can get it to focus really like in on the detail. Here it goes. So beaded. These are really pretty. Next up, I have this gold beaded pumpkin. Oh, look at it, it's sparkling. Ooh, sparkling. Orange. Oh, y'all, I love these so much. I know y'all are like, gosh, this girl is so over the top, but I'm just in love with everything. They have these same things at Hobby Lobby. If you go back and look at my Hobby Lobby fall like shop with me, I'll link it up there. They have these same things and they're like $5.99. These are $1. So I got the orange, the gold, and then they also had this brown color. So totally racked up on all the pumpkins. Because like I said, these are really expensive. These are $3.99 at Hobby Lobby. They're $1 at the dollar store, obviously. The other thing I got were these salt and pepper shakers. Y'all know I love me some salt and pepper shakers. So there's a tiny pumpkin and then like a taller pumpkin. I love those. And then I got ribbon. So I'll show you guys. So I'll make wreaths or banners. So I got this plaid. Glitter. Can y'all see it? I know it's not gonna focus on that glitter, but this one is like glittery pumpkins. There it goes, glittery pumpkins. This one says like give thanks, fall, festival, gratitude, autumn. I got a skinny one that's just like brown and has gold leaves on it. Can I get that to focus? No, that's okay. You know what leaves look like. And then I also got this pumpkin one. So those are all the ribbons that I got. And then, oh, this is a random little find, but I thought it would be pretty in my bedroom, like right here. And it's one of those, like, pillows. Let's go ahead and put that back there. Pretty. Okay, so this last bag is what I'm really excited about. There's a couple things in here that are not the like most exciting thing, but y'all, I can't tell you enough like that everything they had, Hobby Lobby has, and it's so much more expensive. These pumpkin stakes, they come in 3 different sizes. They have these little ones. The little ones have 10 in a package. The big ones have 4 in a package. And the medium ones have 5. Y'all, these literally, if you go to Hobby Lobby right now, are $3.99 for the little ones, up to $7.99 for the big ones. $3 for all 3 packages of them. Next up are these ribbons, and these are super good quality again. I got these that look like candy corns, and these that have like fall leaves on them. And I got these. These are LED leaf lights. These are cute. All right, now for my favorite thing. If you go into Hobby Lobby right now, there are signs everywhere, and they're all cute, every last one of them, but they're expensive. They're anywhere from like $16.99 to $20.99, even down to $9.99. And of course you can use your 40% off coupon or maybe 50% off, but it still makes it $5. I'm about to show you the signs that they have at the Dollar Tree right now, and when I brought these home and showed them to my husband, I literally was like squealing because I was so excited because they're so nice and they're so cute. So before that, I'm gonna show you this. This is the first sign. These are metal galvanized words. This looks, I mean, I hate to say it, keep saying it, because I love Hobby Lobby. I'm not saying not to go there, obviously, but look how cute these are. And these are galvanized, so you can put them on signs, you can put them on anything you want. Like that one says harvest, that one says thankful, and this one says welcome. Can y'all see that? I mean, those are so good, and they're great quality. They're heavy. I can't wait to make a DIY with that. All right, let's get down to the business of signs. I'm really excited. And if my sun is kind of wonky, it's raining outside, such as Georgia in the summer afternoon. Okay, first one. How cute is this? It says harvest blessings, hay rides, corn maze, pumpkin pie, apple cider, Thanksgiving. They're so cute. So cute. The next one is this one, which I love, and I'm hoping to turn it into a front door hanger. It says give thanks, and it's in red and glitter, which is about to get all over my white bed. Oh well. I'm gonna save that one for last, or second to last, because I love it. This one, this says harvest, happy fall y'all, give thanks, autumn gathering, falling leaves, and pumpkin patch, and this is in like a glitter. See that? So cute. I love these. I love these so much. All right, next up is this one, and these are not all going in my house. Like I said, I'm gonna decorate my best friend's house too, but this one, it says harvest blessings. Tell me this doesn't look like something you'd pull out of Hobby Lobby, because it does. All right, this one, and this has a red truck. I love me a red truck, whatever it has in it, whether it be pumpkins or Christmas trees or whatever. So this one's really cute. I actually saw someone also take this part off and wrap this pumpkin piece in burlap, and it was really cute, like twine. So I already saw someone do that this year, which was really cute. So you could definitely use these pumpkin cutouts for a lot of things. This one says bless our home. How cute. Y'all, I love these. Oh, they're just so cute. And I just love how farmhouse style everything is this year. All right, I got two more things to show you, and they are my favorite things that I found for fall at the Dollar Tree. This is the first one, and it's a chalkboard. It says, I am thankful for, and you can write it in. It's dry erase, or not dry erase, but chalkboard. And it hangs up, and it's got like little metal leaf on it. I love this. So cute. And then my favorite thing that the Dollar Tree has this fall is this. Look at this sign. It says thankful and blessed. Has a galvanized leaf on it. It's precious. Why am I so excited? When you can find things like this that is this cute at the Dollar Tree that would normally be $10 or more at Hobby Lobby for $1, it blows my mind. Because my house is gonna be so cute, and my husband is gonna be so excited that I spent so much less on fall decorations this year. So I cannot wait for fall. I'm definitely decorating this weekend. Y'all can crucify me later, but I'm ready for summer to be over. I'm ready for my life to move on from the summer, and I am ready for fall. So be ready for fall videos at the end of August. They're gonna start coming around, and y'all go check out your Dollar Tree. This stuff will not be there long, I guarantee you. This stuff sells out at the Dollar Tree very, very quickly. And if you are local to the Augusta area, I got all of this stuff from the one in Evans next to the Walmart. So I hope that y'all have a great day. Go get you some fall decorations. Get ready for the onslaught of all things pumpkin. And let me know in the comments what your favorite thing was that I found. And who knows, maybe if I have two of them, I'll give something away. Who knows? It's a chance, it's a possibility. So make sure you go and leave a comment and subscribe. I hope y'all have a great day. God bless.